Welcome! In this quick guide, we'll show you how to create partitions on a hard drive in Windows 11. Right-click on it and tap Manage. Now click on the Disk Management button under the Storage option. Select the hard drive, from where the partition should be created. Click on the Shrink Volume option. As you can see the unallocated partition, right-click on it and select the option New Simple Volume. After tapping on the button, a window will appear, New Simple Volume Wizard. Now click Next and enter the volume you wish to allocate to the new partition in MB size. After that, you can choose the letter of your choice to give a name to the new partition. Click Next, leave the settings as default, and click on Finish. That's it, your partition has been created successfully. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.